ReGo means rethink your ego, go again and again on a continuous process of change in yourself and in society. It is a strategic design project that connects creative across different disciplines and uses the power of fashion, co-creation and storytelling to shift the prevailing narrative around youth violence. Through that, we are turning metal from knives through waterjet and laser engraving into fashion items in collaboration with local fashion brands.
So with Project ReGo, we have two parallel processes happening. We've got the creative process where people are learning the fashion skills. We've also got our mindset coaching process running alongside it. They work hand in hand because if you can develop the right mindset, you find it much easier to pick up new skills. You find it much easier to stretch beyond your present level of knowledge into new levels of knowledge.
So the workshops were delivered by some of our partnering brands and they were really engaging sessions where the young people could learn new skills but also understand new topics. So it's all about fashion activism, it's about engagement, it's about education, but it's also about learning how to speak your voice and how to communicate that through fashion.
I think it's important because we all have our own way of kind of expressing ourselves through fashion, and so I think having access to an industry that does that professionally, we can all be inspired by something and then express our personalities through that.
Some of the young people, alongside the training, they also are undertaking work experiences with fashion brands.
You know, often when you study at uni, you don't really learn about how to apply those skills in real life. In order for us to make this a really powerful project, it was really important that we also provided them with that opportunity.
I came here because I wanted to learn how to drape and put stuff on mannequins. And being able to see someone that has more knowledge than me do something and be able to take something away from them, I'm able to learn off people that are, I know, master pattern cutters or master sewers or master pattern designers.
Well, it gives them an opportunity to see how you can run your own business, start up your own project, and just being in a professional setting every day really, I think, adds to that confidence. Then you have tangible experience, which is really important.
Yeah, it's been a great experience. I've been trying to find internships and experiences for the fashion industry, but it's been very challenging, but this has been a good opportunity. And it gave me a new perspective on how to run a business that's going to bring a positive impact.
I think young people are very ambitious about not just how they're going to earn a living in the future, but how their living has a meaning. And I think that's what our young deserve. So there's something about ReGo that brings all these things together.
Several of the participants of ReGo have already been offered employment, so it's working. It's coming together.
It's important that these platforms are open so that people can come and discover something about themselves.
We are producing a fashion collection that will be rented out through the Lonehood app. And the purpose is to raise funding to support ongoing activities and opportunities for young people in the fashion industry.
As well, we're exploring how we can collaborate with bigger brands and potentially have, larger amounts of income so that we can fund the training, the coaching and the development of young people to get this experience.
Young people are often cast in the role of being the problem, and we're trying to address social problems with Project ReGo. And we know that young people are really the only viable solution to many of those problems, whether we're talking about knife crime, the environment, or well-being. Young people are the solution.